Hi everyone, I'm Sangeeta and this is my husband Nirmal. We have been married together for 8 years and this is our very first dream house.
Yeah, and we've been looking into Hyderabad for a really long time for a house, and we're looking for a house that matched our soul and vibe, and we're really happy that Modern Make helped us fulfill the dream of making it into a reality.
Yes, our experience with Modern Mates was really pleasant. So they took our requirement very clearly. They understood our taste, and based on our taste, they designed. And yeah, now that everything is ready, I'm very happy to tell that the design really blended very well with the reality.
Yeah, and special mention is the best thing that we like about the house is the piece that we see behind us. This is something that we're really looking for, and we really happy that it came out well. And the child's bedroom is something again everyone in the house and who have visited the house really liked it. And even the neighbors are asking about this where we got this done, and this is also done by Modern Make. Just to let you know.
Kitchen really gives me a very good vibe. I feel so happy about the color that we went with. Yeah, that is something that we were looking for, and Modern Makes brought it into reality.
And the Pooja room is something that we really liked it, and the way that they executed the plan for Pooja room, we are really impressed by the way it came out. Honestly, yeah.
The workspace was designed based on our requirement and it turned out really well.
Yeah, the design of the table and the shelf, everything went good with the flow of the room, and it's really comfortable and convenient to work there and gives a peace of mind without any stress of the work as is. And the overall design and the vibe and feel of the interiors after it came out the way it is, and the materials that they used gives us a sense of joy and hope that we feel at home.
So after installation, they thoroughly inspected the house and even the minor alignments was looked in and they corrected that. So that is something that was really appreciated.
Now, to be honest, the ethics of it, and a special mention to Pradeep, who was there throughout the journey, who was with us, who took our understood requirements and ensured that every single thing came out as it was his own house. So I really commend the way that he took in charge of the project, and thanks to Modern Makes and to Pradeep to help us realize this dream.